Late to this meeting.
Oh yeah. Always in my boxers.
Just gonna get ready, take you guys to a cool spot, oversee the airport, then we'll head to work. Let's do it. Definitely not your typical stock one, but got a full throttle, Shinko tires, Ego Boost shocks, train horn, and mode and power switch is hidden. It's very discreet, it's actually under there. I want to capture some takeoffs for you guys, but it's kind of taking a while. I'll get one for you guys and then head to the shop. So, this is our office. This in particular is the service station. This bike is being worked on. I ended up having to do a full overhaul. So it's a 1.0 frame, Indiegogo frame. We'll get this started, but just kind of give you guys a day-to-day here at Onyx Motorbikes. Yeah, we'll just take you on a little adventure here. And once people start filtering in, I will show you guys, everyone, have you meet the crew. A lot of this stuff you guys have probably seen on our Instagram, but I'm just going to show you guys the raw stuff that go on in this warehouse, so it should be fun. Doing a day in the life for Onyx Motorbikes.
Right on. Okay, sounds interesting.
Well, what we got going here, man? What you doing, dog?
Helping Sam, boxing these bikes and, you know, getting things done.
That's what I'm talking about.
Swimming.
We are going to do this bike real quick. Cool. What's up, Tay Tay?
Making movies.
So we just got some more batteries. It's looking pretty soon. Oh yeah, look at that.
So this one, I would say 9/18. One more.
Dude,
Happy customers, making dreams come true,
what's
baby.
going on here, man? Explain.
We've been waiting on some batteries and they finally came in, so it's a good day. And it's a Friday.
Heck yeah, these are 41s. Yep. What's up, Helena? This is Helena.
Battery. But professionally, we finally got Ivan into this half and half manufacturing. We got him on a timeline for 2 months and then he's moving out of it and into service full time. And we hired Leah for the customer service.
Let's go check in on Employee of the Month. Yeah. We just had a really solid meeting.
Rolling?
Solid.
9.91 out of 10, by the way. It's unheard of. We're gonna be riding out to Hermosa Pier. We got Tina, we got Manny, we got Fred, Helena, Jeff.
Run fast, take chances.
Cheers, guys. Cheers. Good teamwork. Got everyone over here too. Cheers, everybody. Cheers. Salute. Cheers. Cheers, guys. We're gonna enjoy some lunch. And we're gonna do an Employee of the Month review, and it's gonna be pretty rad. So, thanks for hanging out with us. What do you like about Onyx, and what would you change?
I like the people here. You know what I would change is when I'm working, if I could drink.
My man.
I like the good people, good vibes, so I want to keep that. And change, I want us to grow so we can bring on more people, because I think we should have more locations and more people want to work with us and want to make that happen.
Hell yeah. Mr. Alex, what's one thing you like about Onyx?
I hate it all. No, I'm just kidding.
It's all Onyx stuff.
I love it all. I mean, I love working on bikes. I love the family we've created, and All you motherfuckers are crazy.
What's one thing you change?
At the moment, I can't think of anything I would change. Just getting more bikes out there, getting them faster, and creating these lovely things that people ride.
Go ahead.
What do I like about Onyx? The fan that makes Onyx. That's all of us.
Hell yeah.
And then what do I not like? Or what?
What would you change?
Oh, what would I change? I would change the name.
The name Onyx?
Yeah. I want it, Noix.
Came back, busted out some bikes. Jeff killed it on some batteries. Day's pretty much done. Everyone else left, but cranked out a bunch of these. So these are gonna get packed and shipped out Monday. Programming batteries. If you ordered one and you're local, you can pick them up. For the time being right now, but batteries are here. Crazy day today. I don't know what else this holds, but we're fixing personal bikes and personal projects, so yes. All right, let's do this. Last one out the shop. What a great frickin' Friday. Beautiful day.